My name
is Harvey Singh. Hello guys, so this is an iPhone concept. Before I begin the video, I just want to show you three simple things, okay? One is these dots right here. As you can tell, this one's light, very light. Even on your normal iPhone, this is light, saying you're on this page or screen. And if you count them, this is the 8th one, and this is 9. Alright, the way I replaced that is just put an 8 right here. And if you were to scroll left, then you would be on the 7th page, and this would say 7. And I think that would be cool, personally, because you'll know exactly where you are at. I want to show you this right here. Whenever I say press the home button, I will have this on the screen saying this is the home button. Alright. And also, when I say the app's wiggling, you know how this works. Holding down an app to delete it. Well, I'll also include this so you know that we're on the wiggling icons mode right now. Okay? So if you see this, that's where I'm at. Let's move on to the actual video now. Alright, so you scroll up, go to the mission control here, and notice this new app right there. We're going to click on it. And now this thing is here. This is the apper, pretty much. And before I show you all this and tell you what this is, I want to explain this as well, okay? This is the navigation. All your apps on this is alphabetical, pretty much. That's the view we're on right now. And this is telling you that you're on the 8th page or 8th screen right now. Alright, so now to show you the navigation. So to do that, you click on this and it expands, as you can tell. Right now it's saying you're in the alphabetical view, right? You can also click on the page or the screen view right here by clicking here. And now it's saying 4th screen, there's only 5 apps on that screen. And the 5th screen, if you were to scroll up, you would be able to see the rest of the apps on the 5th screen. And the reason this is green and this is blue in the background is because green means there's empty space. Blue means, as you can tell, there's 2 available back here. All 24, it's full of all 24 pretty much. And again, there's this third view. I'll click on it. You see how 5 is again blue and 4 is green? I'll show you practically what I mean. Click on 4, and as you can tell, a lot of space. I'm not going to click on 5, you get the idea. Let's click back on 8. There's 2 available here too, that's why it's green. Blue means full, green is not. Alright, before I close this out, let's click back to the alphabetical view now. Alright, and let's close this out. Now that I've showed you this, let's start with deleting applications. So you would start with your normal iPhone, you would scroll up, you would click on Apper, and there you would be, right? Now we're going to hold down an application. So we're going to hold down Safari. And eventually all the apps are wiggling now. And notice this, squares are here now. I'm going to check 3 apps. This one, and this one. And now I'm going to click the delete. You can also move these, and then it will move 2 of them here, and the third one it'll create an extra page and move it to that next page automatically. So because there's only 2 spaces available here. Alright, let's delete it. Right now, with the normal iPhone, it would give you, as soon as you would click to delete the app, it would say, "You sure you want to delete it?" Then you would say yes. Then it would say, "Do you want to keep the data?" Well, the data, it saves all the stuff on iCloud, basically. So if you delete this app, bazam, you want to reinstall it, the data is there on your iCloud, so you're back to where you had started. Kind of like on a game. You were on level 7, you'll remember that because it'll be on iCloud. Okay, so yeah, we'll keep it. For this one, I'll show you what it would look like if I deleted it. Just like that. And this one, if we didn't want to delete the app, we would just click here and we would click uninstall. Checked, as you could tell. This won't uninstall. Those apps were installed. Let's press the home button And voila, those checks are gone. Let's move right along to the next part. So you go up and you click on Apple again. So in this case, we're going to use the same app as an example that we used to delete to move. So we're going to move this app right down here. We're going to hold this app. Notice it got bigger. Now if I move it halfway, nothing happens, but I can delete it here. But as soon as I move it fully, it understands that I want to move the app. So now it brings the pages view up. So it's really simple. If I wanted to switch to page 4, let's say, let's bring the app here and let's put it here for a second. Well, I could leave it there and know that right now it's not there because my finger is still on it. So let's bring it back up here again. Let's move it here. Now I'm going to let go of the app and notice what happens. Voila! Not only did it move it, but it tells you right there that the app has been moved to page 8. Let's do that with another one. This time let's move the Halo. We're not going to mess with this one. We're going to go ahead and move Halo. And we are holding it, and we're going to move it, and we're going to move it here. Voila. There you go. Now there's 2 of them showing us that they've been moved to page 8. Now that the app's moved and you see this, I have one last concept to show you. I saved this for the very last bit, and I'll include it right with the same screen, okay? Before I show you how to clear this, I want to show you what if, so you were able to see right away what screen they're on also, as well as switch to them. This is what that would look like. The reason I didn't include this in the rest of the video, as you can tell, although it's very convenient, it's just very cluttered. There's too much within this box going on. So right now it's green and it's saying 8 has space. This is orange because it was moved. This was moved. So if I was to click on 2, it would switch to page 2 right now. If I was to click on 4 here, click on top of there rather than click here, rather than launching the app, it would click and go to that page. So that's that last little bit of the concept. And also you might be wondering, how the heck do I get the iPhone to forget the history, rather? Well, you press this button and it'll clear out the history. And that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you guys think of this last idea. Do you think it's too much? Anyways, this has been it, guys. That was the concept. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys very much. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you again. Peace.